another day at boating school for SpongeBob SquarePants and me.
The civil authorities of Los Angeles have issued a law enforcement warning for the following areas: Los Angeles County, Orange County, and surrounding inland empires. At 11:45 a.m. local time, two unidentified entities identified as Enima and Lanua have initiated a retaliatory strike against the city. This is not a drill. Residents are advised to seek immediate shelter in a secure interior room. Lock all doors and windows. Enima and Lanua are considered extremely dangerous. Do not attempt to engage. Stay tuned to local media for further updates as this revenge scenario unfolds. The following is a bulletin from the United States government. At approximately 12:30 p.m., the Secret Service has confirmed a catastrophic security breach at a temporary command location in Los Angeles. It is with profound regret that we announce the passing of President Donald Trump. Preliminary reports indicate the president was fatally assaulted by two unidentified stick-figure entities known as Enima and Lanua. The attackers used a bladed weapon in the assault before fleeing the scene. A state of emergency is now in effect nationwide. The vice president has been moved to a secure, undisclosed location and has assumed the duties of the acting president. All citizens are ordered to remain indoors as law enforcement and military personnel conduct a massive manhunt for the suspects. Enima and Lanua are to be considered armed and extremely dangerous. Stay tuned to this frequency for further instructions from the Department of Homeland Security.
Good morning for 7 o'clock a.m. at May 4, 2026. So here's some two stick figures. I forgot you. They have some. Here's some stick figures named Enima. Top hat, Lilina, pink hair. She just probably killed Donald Trump in the White House while she was bringing her new president back. They returned the new president back because Joe Biden is being cried over like that. Never forget the American president came back. She came back from heaven, Jesus Christ. God bless America, but it's fake. I couldn't understand. So, that was the over this message.
My shoes on. Shoes right?
The following is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall interrupt current programming for this emergency message. At 4:12 p.m., a nuclear detonation occurred in the downtown Los Angeles area. This attack is confirmed to be the final act of retaliation by the entities Enima and Lanua. The blast has caused a massive firestorm, which is currently merging with existing brush fires, creating a catastrophic wildfire vortex moving across Southern California. Los Angeles is being declared a total loss. If you are within 50 miles of the Los Angeles basin, you are in the immediate fallout zone. Do not attempt to evacuate by vehicle, as all freeways are melted or blocked. Seek immediate shelter underground. Close all ventilation. You have less than 5 minutes to find cover before the secondary thermal wave arrives. The civil authorities of Los Angeles, in coordination with the Department of Homeland Security, have issued an administrative message for the Southern California region. As of 9 a.m., May 10, 2026, the threat posed by the entities Enima and Lanua has been neutralized. Military and specialized containment units have confirmed the permanent termination of both subjects, following a successful operation in the ruins of the Los Angeles basin. The state of extreme emergency is hereby downgraded. Residual wildfires have been 95% contained, and radiation levels in the clear zone have returned to breathable standards. Reconstruction efforts are now beginning. Residents who were evacuated are permitted to return to the outskirts of the city, provided they have a valid government-issued safe pass. The United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this unprecedented disaster. Normal broadcast programming will resume shortly. Peace and order have been restored.